guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have my MorpheMe unboxing for you guys. So I'm just gonna kind of hop right in and see what's inside. I haven't opened my MorpheMe in a little bit, so I'm very excited to see what's in this month. I have seen no spoilers. I know nothing. And if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe before we get started so that you always get updated on all of my new videos. MorpheMe, the perfect blend. Okay, this is so cool, you guys. I have never seen brushes quite like this before. They're all gold like this. This is called the Morphe Y1. And the only thing I'm seeing right off the bat here is the lettering is kind of scratching off of it. We'll just hold this up so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't know, the lettering is just kind of scratching off a little bit. That kind of bums me out a little bit. If they're going through all this trouble with the packaging to be super fancy looking like this, I want my numbers to stay on the brushes. Maybe that's a little OCD, a little bit picky of me, but that's just how I feel. So this is the Y1 Precision Pointed Powder. This fluffy pointed brush is like a shot of espresso. With it, you'll be able to multitask and apply blush, bronzer, and powder. You'll be using this one a latte. I think this would definitely be great for any kind of powder. It definitely feels really, really stinking soft. It's one of those bunny type brushes. It really reminds me of those brushes that I got with the red tips. So soft, so fluffy. I just want to pet it. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! But definitely really cool. Let's check out the price of this. So it says that this brush runs for about $14. I'd say that's about right. It feels like it should actually be more. I would put this more around the $20 mark, maybe a little bit higher than that, just because it's so fluffy. I definitely really like this a lot, and I think it's a great value. I think this brush alone pays for this box. If you guys don't know, MorpheMe is the $20 a month box. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested. But if this is around a $20 brush, then this brush pays for the box and anything else is bonus, which I think is a pretty great deal. The next thing I'm seeing in here is called the Morphe Y12, and this is kind of weird. Okay, looking at this packaging, this has like the falling off packaging and this has intense large packaging, but it's like a really big difference in the writing on these. And actually they kind of look like they're a little bit different tones, which is kind of weird. Like maybe they were made different places or something like that. I don't know. That's kind of weirding me out, but let's just talk about the brush, the Y12 brush. It's very soft. This is going to be more of a contouring type brush just to get right in there and sculpt a little bit. It's called the Pro Flat Contour Brush. It says, want a chiseled contour? Order up! This dense flat brush is great for bopping in the creamy product and cleaning up the lines. You won't even need a filter. I hate those cheesy little sayings. So obnoxious. But this is a really nice brush. It feels very nice and soft, and I know these types of brushes and I do love them for contouring. I think they're great. Let's check out the price real quick. So this brush goes for about $12. I think that's a great deal for a brush like this and definitely adds a lot of value to the bag. I'm excited. I think this will be really good. And the last brush I have in here is the Y7, and it feels like it's a round buffer brush. Definitely really pretty packaging, really soft, and this one also has the big lettering like the flat contour brush. So my odd brush out is this brush. So I'm kind of confused about that. Yeah, I want them all to match. And I don't know what's going on with this one. In the picture, they all have the big lettering, so I'm just really confused why mine doesn't. This last one is the Uy7 Round Buffer. This rounded kabuki style brush is perfect for blending in the liquid foundation and powder foundation. It's soft and its bristles whip up like a dream to give you an airbrush finish. This is definitely the best type of brush for foundation in my opinion. I love the buffing brushes. I think they're awesome. When I'm not using a sponge, this is definitely what I use for foundation, and it feels really soft and really nice. And it says this brush is worth $13. I would put it a little bit higher than that actually. This would maybe be more in the $15, probably $17 range for me in value. It feels really soft. The quality feels really nice. I think they're already selling it at a good deal on the Morphe website, but definitely something that I'm excited to get. So guys, that's all my brushes from this month's MorpheMe and I feel like we got a really good value this month. We got about $42 in value, which is about twice the cost of this box. This box costs $20 a month, so definitely a super good deal. If you're looking to get brushes and you need them at kind of a bit of a discount, the brush subscription is going to be great for getting your brush collection up to par. So if you're interested in that, I'll have it linked down below. And just so you guys know, that is an affiliate link. Just means that if you do decide to buy MorpheMe, then I will get like a few cents on the dollar for whatever you buy. But I'm always 100% honest with you guys, and I love you. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. But if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you subscribe if you have not already to get in on all of my videos. Yes, that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!